I dumped like half a bucket on there, Beto, last time.
That's what I got.
Okay.
It's just the brick is higher on this side.
Okay. Goodbye.
Nah, y'all boys gonna get in front of me. Me and my son been here for 20 minutes. Nah. Nah, bro, nah. Nah. I don't care. Go get your daddy. I don't care. Cinco, ocho, 6-1. That's the top one. Top one. ¿Ese quitó?
We wearing
Nah.
orange today.
5-8-6-1. Try it again. The
Yellow
top one.
today.
Dog, how you wearing black? Not one little speck of yellow on you. You could have worn a yellow wristband.
I got the yellow hard hat.
Bro, but that don't count.
Don't count. I'll grab my vest.
You gotta have a little vest or something,
Yeah, I'll
bro.
grab my vest.
Visual, you know? I gotta put that in.
You make it look cash like he's solo today.
Hey, Cash. Hey, let's flip this stone real quick. Let's flip that stone like we were about to do earlier. Yeah?
All right, so this is where the other stones are gonna go all the way around. Y'all see that? Just make sure you're good, you're steady, and if you do decide to fall,
Oh, okay.
now is the time. We live.
Okay.
We'll make it a highlight.
5-1. 8-6. No, that's it. Yeah, open it. Okay.
Motherfucker's not light. But no worries. My guy says he's got experience with BBWs. So it ain't heavy.
I can't believe that just fell before it down.
David, un favor. Can you let him out? Can you let him out just for like 20 seconds? And then... Oh, no, that's okay, David. Yeah. Yo, can we about to go? You got one?
All right, so we about to install this stone.
I'm gonna go down.
¿Cuántos días? Ah, okay. Hey, Diana, you made it. It's a little blurry, David. It's a little blurry. I'm tired,
All right, so we're gonna use these
blurry.
these straps to hold the stone and lower it into place right here.
Ahí lo que sea, te va a ahí. And then just